Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to take a screenshot of an entire web page. This is super useful for capturing long article, entire web page, for designing inspiration, or for any other reason you might need a full page screenshot. Let's get started. First, I will show you how to take a screenshot using Firefox and the issues that may arise. So let's open the browser. I have a website here, so let's try to take a screenshot. For the screenshot, we have to press the keyboard combination Ctrl plus Shift plus S. Now scroll down the page to take a full screenshot. It is completed. So let's verify how it looks. We can see here the main issues that arise. Most of the sections of the site are not showing perfectly. This mostly happens with carousel slider sections. Now let's try another method using a browser extension. I am opening Google Chrome. I already have the extension installed. Now let's try this. Done. Let's check the screenshot. Everything is perfect. Every section is captured perfectly. Now let's see how you can use this on your browser. First, open any browser, and I suggest using Google Chrome. I'm opening the browser. Search for the extension name, go full page. Just as the extension here, it will be automatically added. Perfect. It has a good review. You can use this extension without hesitation. I have been using this extension for 5 years. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any question, please write a comment below.